my, the cats are going to be really comfortable this winter. Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today we're checking out this outdoor heated cat house. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and I am so happy it was. So if you have outdoor cats or stray cats that are in your neighborhood you would like to keep warm this winter, this product will be perfect. Assembly is pretty easy. You're just going to put these poles together kind of like a tent, following the directions. Make sure you push them together tightly or else nothing else will fit. And then you'll put the cover on the base. It kind of just wraps around and velcros. And then we'll do the next step. Next, we're going to snap together this smaller frame and we're going to slide it into this house and attach it to the base with these crisscrossing straps. We will velcro on these roofs and then we'll put the heating pad in for the floor. And that's pretty much it. The camera's not picking up the screen really well, but I can change the temperature up and down. I can set a timer for 2, 4, 8, or 12 hours so I can make sure the cats are warm. This thing is pretty neat. What'd you think, buddy? You like it in there? You gonna sleep in there tonight? Maybe we'll set up an outdoor camera, huh? What do you think? Yeah? It has a heat pad with this nice soft cover, but it also has this insulated floor that I'm going to put underneath, and that'll help keep all of the heat inside of this in the winter and keep the cats warm. It has quite a bit of space inside. We can go right in here. You can see it's got the heated cat bed. It's got insulation. It's got these cool plastic flaps over the doors to keep the heat inside all winter. And it even has where you can close one of the doors off if it gets really cold, and they can just use the one and keep warm.